Hi. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to delete your Google account. But before we get started, please like and subscribe. Now let's get started. Now go to Google and select your Google account at the top right, and then click Manage your Google account. Then it will take you to your Google account main page. Then click on Data and Privacy. Then go or scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Delete your Google account. Then enter your password to verify that is you, the owner of your account, and then click Next. Then to completely delete your Google account, scroll down at the bottom and check off the two box and click Delete Account button below, and your account will be permanently deleted. Now your Google account is now deleted permanently. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.